Connecting Printify to eBay allows you to sell print-on-demand products seamlessly through your eBay store while Printify handles order fulfillment. Here's how to set it up. Sign up for accounts. Ensure you have active Printify and eBay seller accounts. Your eBay account must be set up for selling and linked to PayPal or another approved payment method. Connect eBay to Printify. Log into your Printify dashboard. Go to the Manage Store section. Click Add New Store and select eBay. You'll be redirected to eBay. Log in and authorize Printify to access your eBay store by granting the necessary permissions. Configure your settings. Once connected, set your currency, shipping and production time preferences. You can also choose default return policies and pricing markups. Publish products. Create or choose products in Printify. Customize the design, description and pricing. Then click Publish to send them directly to your eBay store. Manage orders. When a customer places an order on eBay, it appears in your Printify dashboard. Printify automatically handles production and shipping.